Hi guys, this is Joe. Welcome to this little video. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about Discord and not that one. All right, much better. So you might have heard the youth conferences now on Discord. We've got the Discord server, and you might have never heard about it. So here I am. So basically, what's Discord? It's voice, video, and text chat. It's free. You can download the app on your computer or on your phone. It's used by a lot of people around the world. Like, I can't even English that many numbers, but yeah, about that much. So it's legit. If you ever use Slack in your workplace or, I don't know, with your friends, it's pretty similar. You won't be lost. Just think of Discord as maybe a less formal form of Slack. Wait, we're gonna have a look at it all. I'll show you how to join, how to create an account, and I'll give you a little virtual tour of our server. Let's do it. All right, guys. So now that you know a bit more about Discord, let's jump into it. You might have seen the invite links on the social medias, or you might have received it by email. And if you can find it, no worries, just go to youthconference.com and you'll see it's right here on the main page. We're on Discord, come join us. So you just have to click on this link and it will get you to Discord. If you don't have an account, you'll have to create one, of course, and then you come back just here. So all you have to do is click on Join the Youth Conference, and nothing happens. Ha. Okay, no worries, that's perfectly normal. As you can see, someone talked to you, or to me in that case. I got another one. Let's see what he wants. Welcome, please read the rules, blah, 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 to gain access to Youth Conference. Okay, let's go then. So to get back on the server, you click on the logo, and we're going to click on rules. So please read those carefully. I won't do it with you. I mean, you're grown-ups, you can read, go for it. Read them carefully, respect them as much as possible. Don't give me any extra work, I'd appreciate it. So once you read all of those, just click right here on this little check mark. Boom, plenty of stuff appeared. You see it? I saw it. Look at that. Everywhere. All right. So before we get properly into it, I'm going to explain to you the layout of the app. So basically, you've got all the channels on the left of your screen. And at the bottom, you've got yourself, your little name with your user settings, your mic and stuff. You'll know why soon. And I'll get back to the channels in just a minute. In the middle, you got everything that is in the channel. So here we are in rules. We've got the rules. Makes perfect sense, right? Okay. And on the right, did I say left? Yes, say right. I'm terrible with my left and right. I'm really sorry. So on the right, you've got the list of all the members that are online and offline, actually. So as you can see, there's different colors. The main members are just in white. We've got the bots in purple, and I'll get back to them in a few. The stuff is in yellow. I'm going to connect with my other account so you can see. Let's see. There we are. It's me, Joe. So yeah, the mods are in blue, and Scott, our captain, is in green because it's the captain. I don't ask me. Right. So first thing, if you showed up on the server and you want to change your name because you just put a silly name because you had no idea, I don't know, just click on yourself, well, your name, and you can change your nickname. So I'm gonna rename myself again. Don't mind me, because I don't need my fellow staffers to think I'm crazy, more than they think I'm already am. All right, don't mind me, fine. If you need to send a message to someone, a private message, like this video doesn't make any sense, and you come to Discord and you can't understand a thing, and you need to, you know, send me a direct message because you're a bit confused about it. Just click on any people's name, you know, right click or press if you're on the app. I didn't say that, but on the phone app, you got the same columns. You just have to swipe left, right, you know, finger thing. It works. It's the same thing. So there we go. Message. I can message. Oh, already message myself. See, I love talking to myself. Don't worry. And you go just, hello. It's me again. And apparently I can type. So you send a message, and if someone replies to you, you'll see it appear right here in this corner. So that's me again. And you got the message. Same thing, if you want to come back to the server, you just click on the logo. All right, I think that's all for this column. You got a search box right here. Everyone knows how to use that, I think. So no need to talk about it. Let's get back to the channels. So the channels, basically, think of it as chat rooms with specific topics. You'll find the topic or what it's about right up there. You can see it. You can see. All right. I'll just go, you know, quickly through them to explain a bit more. The rules are the rules. All right. Announcement is everything that has to do with the YouTube conference, you know, news and updates. You won't be able to post on this channel because staff privilege got the power. We're the only one who can talk about the YouTube conference, at least here. All right, chit chat. That's my favorite one because it's basically a mess. As the name states, chit chat. So it's all this conversation, you know. We've got T-shirt, we've got set list, we've got, I don't know. It's great. It's great. It's where the fun is. It's life. So, you know, just general stuff. I'm sorry, I'm being harassed by a fly. Okay, socials. Socials is just the YouTube tweets that are, you know, automatically posted here by your bot. So bot is a robot. It's an automated message, basically. I'm sorry because, you know, you English have words that are really, really hard to pronunciate for my very French mouth. Anyway, so yeah, tweets. Supposedly there was the YouTube conference tweets too, but the IT team still hasn't figured it out, and Scott is not too happy about it, but it's okay. Then we got the game room because YouTube fans play games too. Yeah, we're fun people. Stop it. So, you know, just scroll up and you can figure it out. What is it we're playing? What was that? Oh yeah, we're playing Spot the Atom. So basically find which video games those GIFs were made from. I can't English, I swear. This is hard. This is so hard for me. All right, shout out. You don't need to know about it. You'll have a look. You'll see. Median links is all the links, videos you want to post that are not related to the conversation. You know, like we posted most of the YouTube remasters here. Just put it here so it's all located in one channel, and we don't have this thing, as you can see, popping left and right. That's more that keeps the other channels readable, let's say. All right. Then you got the voice channel. So that's a good one. We'll come back to it in another video, more in depth, but basically you just click on it and you'll get into some kind of mini Zoom inside Discord. So you can chat vocally. You can put your webcam on, you can share your screen, It's a lot of fun. There's tons of stuff to do with it. That's why we'll have a separate video just for it. All right, let me breathe for a second. Okay, let's go. UTCon 2021. So that's everything that has to do with the upcoming UT conference that will take place from the 18th of November to the 20th, I think. Don't be mad with me, Scott, if I got this wrong. So yeah, everything will be in there, the news and, general combo. The UT studies part, so I think all the channel kind of speak for themselves, they're clear titles. I didn't make those, so obviously it was a bit more clear. If you're an academic, that's probably where you're going to spend a lot of time. It's more in-depth conversation. But that's the thing. You can be an academic, you can be a fan, you can be 60, you can be 20, you can be French, you can be English, you can be whatever you want. Everyone's welcome. There's stuff for everyone around, and we're having a lot of fun so far with it all. So don't be scared by me and join, please. All right. So last thing I want to show you is how to actually post something. That would be good. So you go here, you just get into this little chat box and you start typing, "Hey, I'm Joe." Right? Easy, like anywhere else. Let's say you write something that you're not supposed to write. I love this with Trumpet. I can type, I swear I can type. Oh wait, I did it. You see, you got this little pen here. When you go like this, all right, you can edit your message. And I didn't mean that. Of course I didn't mean that, I'm kidding. This very tall compound. Yeah, there's stuff you can't post on the internet. Dangerous. So yeah, you got the edit function, you got the reaction function. So it's basically, emojis and stuff. We've got the UT conference emojis right here that you can only use on the server. So we got plenty of stuff. We got the albums, we got some bonos, we've got a mirror ball. We've got a mirror ball emoji, people. That's worth joining just for that, I swear. So proud of it. I'm not crazy, I swear. All right, so the emojis and the edit button. What else do you have? You can copy the message link if you need to send it to someone. You can speak the message if you have troubles reading. And you can delete because you realize that confessing your undying love for a rock star online is not a good idea. Never is. Boom. Bye-bye. And I deleted the wrong one. Oh my God. There we go. There we go. So please don't use the edit and the delete option for bad stuff. Don't be evil. Don't give me more work than I already have. Because why? Because I'll know about it. Because I've got this little lady here, Mrs. McPisto, that sees everything and records everything, and she's much nicer than her son, so she tells me everything. So if you mess up with someone, I'll know. So behave, please. Be nice. Be all nice. Be fans are nice. All right. What else can I tell you quickly? Oh yeah, if you're like me and English is not your first language, and you're like, I can join Discord because I won't be able to understand everything, or, those English people always use the most complicated words. You cannot do, man. You cannot do. So what can I do about it? Well, we've got Transbot, translation, not the other one. And we'll come back to it in another video more in depth too, but I'm just going to show you very quickly how it works. So basically, English is not your first language. You can understand a word Diane just said right here. And let's say you're French, because I'm French. Yeah, I'm actually French. So you go here, you click on the add reaction, and you stop typing. You got the little French flag, click on it. Ta-da! There you go. It works the other one, obviously. So if I type, I don't know, I wake up one morning, I can't English for less than right now, sorry, and I start speaking French to all of you, you can just, hit the little US or UK flag and it will translate it for you. Basically, that's it, guys. I hope you'll join us. It's a lot of fun. If you have any problem, any question, anything, just jump in and send us a direct message, private message, either to me or anyone on the staff. We'll be happy to help. And seriously, it's been a lot of fun. And as Scott said in the rules, have fun, carry each other, take us higher. All right, let's do it then. Thanks for watching. Bye.